Good morning to all. Welcome in EVS class. Dear kids, in previous class we have done our practice assignment 15, 16 and 17. Now in today's class we will discuss practice assignments 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so let's start our today's class. Dear kids, firstly we are discussing practice assignment 18. Beta, this chapter 18, what's the chapter name? Our Green Friends. In this chapter we got the knowledge about the plants, parts of the plants, types of the plants, and how are plants useful for us. Okay, so let's start. First is fill in the blanks. Dash turns into fruits. Yes, tell me what turns into fruits. क्या है जो कि fruits में change हो जाता है? Flowers. Okay, so first answer is flowers. A, and first answer is flowers. Flowers. Now second is shrubs are small and dash plants. Yes, shrubs कैसे plants हैं? Small यानी छोटे and bushy. BUSHY, झाड़ियों वाले plants. आपने देखा होगा रोज के प्लांट्स को देखा है, हिबिस्कस के प्लांट्स को देखा है. वो छोटे होते हैं और बहुत सारी उसमें शाखाएं होती हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट्स द आंसर? बुशी. BUSHY. Now next is watermelon is a dash. What is watermelon? Watermelon क्या है? Watermelon is a creeper. Okay, watermelon is a heavy fruit and creeper has a heavy fruit and they grow along the ground. They cannot stand straight. So watermelon is a creeper. CREEPER. Now next we eat the dash of cabbage. हम कैबेज की क्या खाते हैं? यस, लीव्स. वी ईट द लीव्स ऑफ कैबेज. सो फोर्थ आंसर इज लीव्स. LEAVES, लीव्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट सीड्स गिव अस ऑयल. विच सीड्स गिव अस ऑयल? मस्टर्ड सीड्स गिव अस ऑयल. ओके, MUSTARD. Sunflower seeds also give us oil. Okay, so these are the fill-ups. Now B exercise, circle the odd one. First, neem, banyan, coriander and people. Yes, what is odd one? देखिए बेटा, neem, banyan and people are the trees and coriander is a herb. So B, first is coriander. CORIANDER, coriander. Now next is rose, cumin and cardamom. So cardamom, what is odd one? Rose. Okay, and these are the spices and rose is a shrub, ROSE. Now next is nuts, dry fruits, wool and coffee. Which one is odd one beta? देखिए, wool we get from the animal and rest of we get from the plants. So wool is odd one. Now next is tulsi, jasmine, quinine and penicillin. So which one is odd one? Yes, jasmine. JASMINE, jasmine. Okay, beta, jasmine we use to make the perfume and rest of trees used for the medicines plants. Okay, these are the medicines plants. Now next, find the names of 4 trees hidden the grid. हमें एक grid दी हुई है and we have to find 4 trees name. So first है आपका N से शुरू हो रहा है, N से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. This is the neem, NEEM. नाउ सेकेंड ट्री है आपका पीपल, PEOPLE, people. Now next is mango. MANGO. And next is banyan. 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 Let's see in the grid. Can you see the grid? Yes, this one. Now देखिए बेटा, this is the name and double EM name. This is mango, MANGO, mango. This is people, PEEPAL, people, and this is banyan, BANYAN, banyan. Okay. And next name these. We have to write down each of these. देखिए. Now बेटा D first trees. We have to write down 2 trees name here. Okay. Now one is, yes, any trees, 2 trees you can write here. I am writing here neem and double E, neem, and people, PEEPAL, people. You can write here banyan. Okay. Mango. Now shrub, SHRUBS. Now 2 shrubs name is, yes, rose, hibiscus, ROSE, rose, and hibiscus, HIBISCUS, hibiscus. Now herbs, mint, spinach. Now next is climbers. Climber, any 2 climbers right here, like money plant and pea. Now 5th is creeper. Creepers. Now watermelon and pumpkin. Okay beta. So this is your D exercise. Now E, complete the chart with example. See in the book, this is your chart given here. Okay. Now देखिए plant. Here are plants. 5 main parts are here: root, stem, now dash, flower, and dash. So as you know, there are mainly 5 parts of the plants: root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit. Now next is roots, and 1 root right here: carrot, stem, celery, leaf, spinach, flower, broccoli, and fruit, banana. So this is students. Yes students, now we have done practice assignment 18. Now let's discuss practice assignment 19. And what's your chapter name? Chapter name is Animals Around Us. But in this chapter we got the knowledge about the different types of animals, their shelters, their young ones, and things those we get from the animals. Okay. So let's start. First is tick or right mark the correct option. First, cow or elephant give us milk. So which one give us milk, students? Cow. Cow give us milk. Now second is frog is a or an pet or amphibian. Yes, frog क्या है बेटा? Frog is a amphibian. So frog is a amphibian. Now next, wild animals live in the jungle or on the farm. As you know, wild animals live in the jungle. So what's the answer? In the jungle. Now next is carnivorous or herbivorous eat plants. Which animals eat plants only? Herbivorous. Okay. So what's the answer? Herbivorous. Now last is hen live in a coop or shed. hen कहाँ रहती है बेटा? hen live in a coop and cow live in a shed. Okay. Now next is name and color the aquatic animals only. So let's see the exercise. देखिए बेटा, these animals given, these pictures, animals pictures has given in your book. देखिए first is tortoise, but tortoise is not an aquatic animal, it is an amphibians. Then what are the amphibians? Amphibians animals that live on both land and in water. जो धरती पर भी रहते हैं, लैंड पर भी रहते हैं और पानी में भी रहते हैं. Second है crocodile. Crocodile is also amphibian. Now rabbit is a land animal. Elephant is also a land animal. And tiger. Tiger is also a land animal. So in these all the animals only fish. This is a fish. Fish is an aquatic animal because fish live only in the water. Okay. So what's the only you have to write here fish and color the fish. Now next write one lines about each of the following. Beta, here are some words given and we have to tell them the one line on each. First है herbivores. What are the herbivores? Animals that eat only green plants. जो जानवर only green plants खाते हैं, like cow, horse, goat, camel, deer. Now carnivores. What are the carnivores? Carnivores animals that eat the flesh of other animals like lion, tiger. Then next omnivores. Omnivores animals that eat flesh of other animals and plants also like crow, bear, cats are the omnivores. Now next amphibians. What are the amphibians? Animals that live on the land and in water also like crocodile, tortoise, frog. These all are the amphibians. Now birds. Beta, birds are only that animals can fly. Okay, and they lay eggs and make nests. Now next है आपका insect. What are the insects? देखिए, insects are the creepy and crawly creatures and some of them can fly like butterflies, flies, worms, ants are the insects. Okay, so these are the some words. Now next is your exercise D. Solve these riddles and name the animals. Now first, I am a flesh eater. I am the national animal of India. Yes, देखिए, which animal eat the flesh and national animal of our India? Yes, which is this? Yes, tiger. What is this, bitches? Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now next, I am a plant eater. You can see me in deserts. Yes, which animal you can see in the desert? Yes, sheep of the desert. Yes, camel. Camel is a plant eater and we see in the desert. So camel, C-A-M-E-L. Now third is I am very faithful animal. I guard your home and the farm. I like bonds. Yes, which animal guards our home? Yes. And like bones also? Yes, dog. Okay, and dog is a faithful animal. G-O-G, dog. Now friend, next is I am a plant eater. I provide you with wool. Yes, which animal give us the wool? Sheep. And sheep is a plant eater, yani herbivorous animal. Now next, I am a plant teacher. I can reach the leaves at the top of the trees. Yes, top of the trees. Which animal reach? Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. So my dear kids, this is our practice assignment 19 we have done. Now let's discuss practice assignment 20. Hello students. Now practice assignment 20. Beta, what's your chapter name of 20? Yes, world around us. In this chapter, we got the knowledge about different types of landforms and water bodies. Now, first is tick or right mark the correct statement and cross the wrong one. First, the earth is covered only by water. No, this is wrong. So, first is wrong. Now, second. Farmers grow crops on the plains. Yes, farmers grow crops on plains. This is right statement. Now third, does it get very heavy rainfall? No, does it get very less rainfall? So it is wrong statement. Now next, big seas are called oceans. Yes, big seas are called oceans. It is right statement. Now next, we should waste electricity. No, never. We should not waste electricity. Even we save the electricity. Yes, it is wrong statement. Now next, jumble the letters to name the given landforms. See students, here are some pictures given of landforms and some jumble letters are given. Now we have to arrange the letters. Now see, first. E-A-L-K. What is this? See in the picture? Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Now next. बताइए friend, what is the picture? Which landform of this? Y-V-L-A-L-E. Yes, what means? Valley. V-A-L-L-E-Y. Next. Yes, see the picture? This is mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. And last one is forest. F-O-R-E-S-T. Forest. Okay. Now next, write two lines each of these. Now here are some words given and we have to tell them one or two lines on each. देखिए friend, first है plain. What are the flatlands on the earth are called plains. And friends, these many people live here because these places are suitable for the making houses and farming. Now second is desert. Student, deserts are dry area that are covered with sand and deserts have very less rainfall. Now next is river. In the river lots of water flows continuously. And next is mountain. Very high hills are called mountains. And the top of the mountain is called peak. Now next is forest. Student, what are the forests? Part of land covered with lots of trees are called forests. Now last is lake. Lake is the large water body surrounded by the land. Okay, what is lake? A lake is a large water body surrounded by land. So these are the topics. These we have to write 2 and 1 lines. Now next, write down 5 main oceans. Name the 5 main oceans in the world. As you know, there are 5 oceans on the earth, in the world. These are the first, Pacific Ocean. Now let's write Pacific Ocean. P-A-C-I-F-I-E. Pacific Ocean. Now second is Arctic Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C. C, Antarctic. Now, sorry beta, this is wrong. एक मिनट. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C. Antarctic Ocean. Fourth is Indian. I-N-D-I-A-N. Indian. And last is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so these are the 5 major oceans: Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Atlantic Oceans. And last exercise in your practice assignment 20 is color the land portion in green and water portion in blue. See student, here given one picture and we have to color land portion in green and water portion in blue. Student, as you see, I have colored here, this portion I colored in blue because these are the water portion, and you have to also color this all portion in blue because these are the water portion, and those I color green here, this all portion is land. So you have to also color green in land portions. These are the all are the land portions. So my dear kids, hope so you understood today's topic very well. Practice assignment 18 to 20. So you do page number 61 to 63 only in your book. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.